a while. The last video we did, oh, hold on, let's turn this way. They can't really see us. It's bright. We're outside today because it's beautiful, so we're going to be doing our video.
Yeah.
So we haven't done a video in a while, so we are going to do this one. Oh, it's upside down. The last time we did an edible slime video and showed you guys. Now we got this one. Are you excited? Alright, so make sure you guys like, comment, and
go to Skylyn George.
And subscribe. Alright, you ready to do this, baby girl? Alright, ready? Let's do it! Hey, welcome back, you guys.
Welcome back.
Alright, so, again, this is
my t-shirt?
Oh yeah, this is her new t-shirt she got today.
And
What is it? Do you know what it is?
It's Elsa.
Elsa! What? Do you know what it says?
It says, what it says?
It says, stronger together.
Stronger together.
And it's Elsa and her sister.
Yeah, look.
Okay, so you ready to open this?
Yes. My daddy got it for me. And mommy got this for me, too.
Alright, I think we might need water.
Oh, let me see the instruction.
You look at that. I'll get this stuff out. So it comes with all this. How pretty it is.
I don't know how to open it. I don't know how to open it, Mommy.
Hold on, I'll help you with it.
Whoa!
That's cool, huh? Okay.
We have to mix it up, though.
So,
Oh, Mommy.
what?
We have to do, pour this in and sprinkle this one in. That's the stuff. Okay.
Okay, you get all this stuff out and Mommy will see what we do.
A little tiny thing.
Oh, you gotta show them.
You guys.
Look at that little spoon.
And yep, this is the powder.
What is this?
The powder.
This is the sodium that it comes with.
And this is the
Ooh, the glitter glue.
this is the eye. It looks like eyeballs.
These are the beads. How
These
cool
are
are those?
little ones.
Oh, these are the same ones but smaller.
And these are.
Ooh, look at those, you guys. These ones are the pretty little.
And this.
And then
A
a measuring cup.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we have to do.
Yeah, we have to do.
So number one, it says
We need a bowl though.
important. It is important that you do not eat any of the slime. Remember, kids, do not eat any of the slime.
No.
The last one we did make was the edible slime.
Yeah, and we eat it, not this one.
Yeah,
'cause
so go
it's
check
not-
that video out. It's up right now, so
Yeah,
definitely go check that
and
out.
check my other Skylyn with no mommies in it. Just me.
Okay, let's see. Use the plastic cup.
And subscribe to my channel and the makeup channel I did. Oh, that's this call.
Okay, so let's see. It says use a plastic cup,
I want to do this.
not included in your kit, and pour 15 ml glue into the cup. Then add 20 minutes. Okay, Mommy has to go get a plastic cup full of warm water. Can you wait a minute and I'll go get it?
Yep.
Okay,
And
I'm gonna leave it playing, so make sure you talk to them.
I'm gonna get this on the
This,
side.
okay.
That's it.
All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go get some water and then we'll start doing this.
Okay. Here, guys, look. See? These are like these are the sparkle thingies, and we didn't do and look. See? I can't really see though, because it's sun. And these are the little spoons, and that's the spoon cup. That's the griddle, and these are the mixers. Okay, guys. When you get started, my mommy's gonna come back and I'm like throw everything up. Okay, I got everything set up, and we have to deal with this. Hey, Mommy, I got everything set up.
Okay. Okay, whoa, here.
Whoa. No.
And then instead of a plastic cup, we're gonna use this thing. Whoa, it's getting a little windy out. Okay, so now it says pour 15 and then add 20 ml of water.
20 of
So,
them.
hold on.
I'm gonna do it.
Use a plastic cup.
I'm gonna do it, Mommy.
It's completely mixed.
Yeah.
Then, hold on, see the measuring cup, please. Okay, so what we're going to do, we need,
Yes.
don't spell that.
Okay.
So it says 15 ml of the glue. So we're going to use our measuring cup and fill it up to the 15. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so you see this line right here?
Uh-huh.
The 1.5? We got to put the glue into up to there, okay?
Up to there?
Up to my finger.
It's coming.
Is it hard?
Yeah, it's hard.
Here, let me look at it. You could do the water.
Whoa, whoa.
A lot of glue. Yep, you don't want to pour it in. Go, go, go. So much glue. Almost there. All right, I think that is about 15 ml. You guys see that? I don't know if it will focus. Is it focusing? Okay. So that is the glitter glue. Now, hold on, hold it.
Okay.
Now we put all that in here. Dump it in.
Get all in there. Okay.
You got it? Okay, now we need to put the water.
The water.
Now.
And pour it.
Well, now we need 20 ml. So there's a little more left in the cup. Okay, so now 20. Oh, I can't see where is 20. Wait, hold on. Okay. 20 is to that line. So right there. Pour the water into where my finger is. Right there. Good, good. So that is 20 ml, and we're going to pour it. Move that out of the way. Pour it into our.
No,
oh, you want to do it here? Sorry.
Yeah, fine.
Goodness. Here, get mine in the video. Ooh, okay, now stir that together. Oh, come on, let me
I'm sorry.
get as much of that out. Okay, you stir that really good together. Go over here and stir it together. And Mommy's going to go rinse out this cup so we could do the other ingredients.
Yeah, I'm going to do this one.
Yeah, we could do all of them.
All of them?
Okay, so stir it really good together and I'll go rinse this out.
That's enough.
Okay, how is it coming?
You good?
Good. This is what it looks like so far. So now we have to add the other ingredients. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, this.
Yeah, just hold on. Now it says that we need to add some of this. You guys remember the sodium? So it says that
There's some more too.
measuring cup pours, measuring cup, and then that into it was okay. So I think 10 ml. I think we might have enough water for the 10 ml. So it says that you need 0.15 grams of this. Yeah. So that is going to be. Let's see.
I'm making a lot of trouble here.
5.15.
0.15? That's a lot. I need another ingredient. So cool.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. I don't wanna. Don't use your teeth, kids. Okay, I don't know.
Do this.
The video you think?
You don't see it?
Okay, we're gonna pour.
Into that 1,015s.
Okay.
Be careful, kids.
Okay, pour that all into the cup.
Pour it.
Pour this into the cup.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Let me know. Okay, it's good.
Okay.
Sorry. Got a little bit on here. And there's some more too. You okay, guys?
Wait, oh, here's some more. There it is.
Yeah, because there was 2 more.
Okay, so we're gonna use both the packets.
Yeah, because it comes out at 2. It comes out at 2 right now, Mom. Don't use your teeth, guys.
Yeah, do not use your teeth.
Hi, Lionel. I'm just talking to my little buddy.
Okay, now we gotta put 10 ml of water in this one. So go ahead and put all that in. I think that should be. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and use. Put a little more.
No. No. And we
Not
didn't
quite
do
10
this.
ml, but okay. Now stir that really good.
Okay.
There you go. Don't open that yet.
Okay.
Okay, stir that up. Okay, now so we have the liquid.
I don't want to feel it.
Stir the mixture in
I
the
don't want to feel it. You. Cut it.
All right, so it says just to stir this up really good. Oh, so stir this up really good.
Oh,
And then once you have this stirred up, it says to slowly add it to your glue and water mixture that we just made. So, hold on, Papa. Okay, so you want to pour that into our water and glue mixture?
can you do it?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, here it goes,
And
guys.
then I'm a little bit still.
Okay, so slowly add liquid to the glue, stir mixture at the same time, Papa. Hold on, Papa. No, not the glue. No, put it back. Sorry, her brother's trying to take her glue.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting harder. No,
Don't eat it. No, don't eat that. That's not candy.
We
Then
can
all
have
those-
it.
And we have to put this in here too. So awesome. It's like wiggling window.
Agitate, agitate,
Agitate.
Oh, I know. It says the longer you stir, the more firm. Look at.
Oh my god! I don't feel it.
Hold on. Touch it.
It's slime.
I'll show you what it looks like.
Sorry, I put a little bit.
So I think we added a little too much water.
Yeah.
But it's still coming out kind of slimy. It's just, a little watery. So she's going to go ahead and add her beads and other shiny, sparkly things. So
Yeah, over there.
Mama's going to go wash her hands. My hands are a little sticky from making it. So I will be right back. And you just keep stirring. It says the longer you stir it, she'll get firmer. So
And I didn't mess with
keep
any
stirring it up.
glue.
Maybe we'll put some more glue in there. How about that?
Yeah, put some more glue in. And squish.
Wait, hold on.
Whoa!
Okay.
You got it on.
All right. So she's going to go ahead and put in her sparkly. Go ahead, baby.
In here.
Yep, you can put it in there.
Whoop.
Oh,
It's a little bit messy.
that's okay. For as much as you like. Whoa! Whoa, look at that, you guys. That's a lot of sprinkles. You gonna put any of your beads in?
Can't open it.
Here, Mommy.
Wait, mommy! That's yacht.
There is. Here's those ones. Hold on, Bubba. Ooh, those are the small beads, not the big ones. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, oh no.
It's fun.
Here you go.
Yeah!
All right, now time to stir it up. Oh,
Whoa. Okay, stir it up.
well, Bubba, here, you want the little spoon? Yeah, we're doing good.
Come here.
What happened here?
Oh,
Whoa, mommy!
Look, man. Had like a screw go through it
Did it
and it
rip out?
ripped through.
oh.
Mommy, it's getting
That
so...
looks crazy.
We can play with it now. Yep.
That looks cool. Yeah, good.
Okay, let's play with it now.
You want to play with it now?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let Mama try to stir it a little. Hold on. Whoa, that came out pretty good. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, you liked it?
Uh-huh.
Was it a success?
Mommy, you get your hand.
I know, I gotta go wash them up. Your hands look good. Maybe I should do that too. And get the glitter. Let me see. Stretch it. See if it stretches. Does it stretch good? Oh, yeah.
I did it.
Yeah, hi. It's kind of brother.
I think we need to over.
No. I don't need no more because then it'll be too sticky. No, I think it came out pretty good, baby girl.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, you happy with it? It's pretty neat. Daddy and Mommy having fun with daughter's slime.
You love it?
Love it.
I'm just showing it. I just want to keep playing with it.
I got sparkles all over my phone now.
Sorry.
It's okay. I had fun. Ooh, look at it. Nom, 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 nom.
Take a picture. I'm not.
It's not a picture, it's a video. So hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun making that?
We have to get some more of these and make some
Yeah.
edible slime.
Remember the last video you made was the edible slime, so go check that out, guys.
And I want to make another edible slime.
Yeah, we gotta go and find some more at the store.
Welcome to Skylyn World.
Bye bye, say hi.
Hi.
You on Skylyn World channel. You like that?
I did.
Yeah, is that blue? Blue sparkles stuck to your hand. Ooh. Alright, you want to tell everyone bye and thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching, Cricket. Thank you for watching for Skylyn's World. Please subscribe to my video.